So we do have a process we've coined. It's called PATH, or your Medicare Path to Success. And the P stands for preparation, which is that education component. We want to give everyone a baseline knowledge of Medicare because it is so new to everybody. It's totally different than their previous health insurance experience. So we go through the education, what their choices are with different plan types and decisions they will need to make, and the timelines in which to make them. Once they're ready to move forward, and this could be months or years down the road, we help them with the application process, right? Get enrolled in Medicare A and B, find out your supplemental coverage, help you enroll in that as well. Ultimately, the T in this PATH process is to teach, and that's to teach about the benefits. So what did you sign up for? How do you use this card or this part of your insurance? Where do you go for this? And so those benefits and the costs and just this whole transition to Medicare is new. So we teach them how to use everything. And then ultimately, this is a lifetime relationship. So every time we talk to a client, this is not about signing up and saying, see you later, or maybe we'll only work together for 2 years. We plan to be with you for the rest of your life. So that help is a lifetime service that comes at no cost to the client. We are, at the end of the day, insurance agents. We're paid by whatever insurance company those clients choose. So we're going to be there as an independent resource to help throughout. And ultimately, our goal is just to make sure that that transition is happening properly and they're taking the right steps to continue the appropriate coverage for the rest of their life.